I am showing an F7 error on my Jenn-air double oven. What does that mean and how do I shut off the audible alarm?
F7 is a straightforward error and it means that your touch control panel has shorted and will need to be replaced. You can try to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven to see if the electronics will reset. If that doesn't and number 39, T work, then the entire touch control panel will need to be replaced. You and number 39, LL need the model number to look up the correct part number, but I and number 39, LL warn you that the part is usually about $200 to $300. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay. We are experiencing local power supply problems. That probably caused the problem. But I would still like to know how to cancel the audible alarm.
That likely did cause the problem. The only way to stop the alarm is to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven. It will continue to beep until the touchpad is replaced if power is applied to the oven. That likely did cause the problem. The only way to stop the alarm is to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven. It will continue to beep until the touchpad is replaced if power is applied to the oven.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.